Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to underline your text on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. All you have to do is to open your spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. Let's have just simple step, a simple text to underline. So the first method or the first way to do is by using a shortcut. All you have is to select your cell or the text that you want to underline and click on Control plus U. As you can see, it will automatically be formatted or will be underlined. Let's remove it and use the traditional way or not without a shortcut. So all we have to do, of course, is to select our text. Let's have just this one. And here in this ribbon, we will choose the format menu. We click on format. Here you will find this menu here. We are interested in the text formatting. So we will go to the text, click on it, and here we will find these four choices. There is the bold, italic, underline, and strike through. Of course, we want the underline one, so we're going to click on it, and it will be, or the whole text will be underlined. Let's use it on another text. So either you click on the cell if you want to format the whole text, or you can just choose a part of a text that you want to underline. As you can see, I can underline them both, just one word. Or you can select the whole cell by just click on it, and we will go to format and text, go underline, and it will underline the whole text. So you can choose any word or any character that you want to underline. For example, I can just underline the T if I can just select it. As you can see, we can choose whatever we want to select, and we can change color to see better. As you can see, we can underline and control our underline in whenever we want. So this is how you underline your text on Microsoft or Google Sheets. Thank you for watching and goodbye.